Okay. So polynomial worksheet. Right. Question number 1. If the zeros of the polynomial x squared plus 4x plus 2a are a and 2 by a, then find the value of a. Guys, I'm giving few seconds, not minutes. Just tell me the idea how to proceed this problem.
2 divided by a as x minus a and x minus 2a, 2 divided by a, like that, sir.
Yes. So that's one way, but the easiest way, guys, we know the beautiful relationship between zeros and coefficients, correct or not? So they have given alpha equal to a, student, and beta equal to 2 by a, right? And we know some, just you take product of roots because it's very easy, because a will get cancelled. Anyone knows that what is product of roots? Alpha into beta, c by a, correct or not? Constant by coefficient of x square. What is constant? 2a by 1. The answer is 2a. Correct or not? This is product of the roots. But the actual value product of roots is what, student? If you multiply these two, what you'll get? A into 2 by a, what is the answer? 2. So what is your conclusion? One is through actual zeros. The other is through the relationship. And we know that both are equal. So shall I say 2a equal to 2, which implies a equal to what?
1.
Right? So many places you will apply this relationship, student. Relationship between zeros and coefficients. Okay, let's go to the next question. Take few seconds and try to give the idea. If you find roots are difficult, then go with formula method. No, sir, I'm okay with factorization and roots. Go for factorization method. Anyway, I'll do both, student. Step, okay. Root 3. Even guys, when you are doing, right, this is a time you can expert in both. Okay. First step is what? Put equal to 0. Now I'm going to do what? Factorization method. What is the answer? Which number you have to take? Root 3, 3, and 3 into 4. 12. What are the two numbers? Your answer is going to be 8. What are the two numbers? 2 and 6.
2, sir.
Yes, sir.
And both will carry minus. Clear or not? Clear or not? And do you remember that the moment you have seen something in the front, you should not write the answer directly x minus 2, x minus 6. You have to divide by root 3x. Yes or no? Right? Anything can be cancelled here. Think like that. Anything can be cancelled. You can try, you cannot cancel this guy, but you can cancel this guy. Correct or not? You can cancel. This will become what, student? Root 3. No, not root 3.
Sir,
6 is having what? 6 is having what?
Root 3 into root 3.
2 into. So basically, you can say 2 into root 3 into root 3. Correct or not? So if you cancel one root 3, what will happen? What is remaining? 2 root 3. Right. So can we write the answer now? Root 3x minus 2, one factor. X minus 2 root 3 is the other answer is equal to 0. What is your answer? X equal to what? 2 by root 3, one answer. 2 root 3 is the other answer. Any doubt from anyone? Quickly.
No doubts.
Maybe guys, sir, no sir, I don't want to keep the irrational number in the denominator. You can write, if you multiply root 3 both numerator and denominator, what will happen?
Sir, 2 root 3 divided by 3.
0.3 equal to 2 root 3. Sir, it is compulsory. It's not compulsory, but still you can do, right? Still you can do, right? Why you want to miss that opportunity? That's why you are putting R. If the teacher wants that answer, yes, let her take. Clear or not? Any doubt? Guys, now Bharat, you tell me whether you want me to do formula method or this is okay.
Sir, this is okay, sir.
This is
This is
okay.
easy. Yes.
But I want you guys to try formula method also. Do it by yourself. Formula method. Okay. So let's go to the third question. So what has been given is clearly alpha plus beta is given, that is 6. Alpha into beta, that is sum is given, product is given. What is that? 9. So what is step 1? Forming the quadratic polynomial. What is step 1? X square minus sx plus
minus alpha plus beta x.
Yeah, you can write sx plus b also is equal to 0. Correct or not? Formula
Yes,
correct
sir.
or not?
Sir, plus alpha beta.
Correct, sir.
This S stands for alpha plus beta. P stands for alpha into beta. Okay. Now you
Okay,
guys
sir.
tell me this equal to 0 is correct. Guys, if you write it's wrong. Please understand it's a quadratic
Polynomial,
polynomial. Polynomial should not be having 0. Please understand. Sometime quadratic equation they are asking, you are not putting equal to 0. In quadratic polynomial, you are putting equal to 0. Both of them wrong. Polynomial means should not have equal to 0. Equation means should be having equal to 0. Are you clear? Are you clear? Now coming
Yes,
to ready
sir.
to substitute the value. X square. What is sum of x? Minus 6x plus 9. That's all. Step number 1 over. Find the quadratic polynomial. What is second question they are asking? Find zeros. You form the quadratic polynomial and then find zeros. Means you have to find alpha and beta. Sir, how to find alpha and beta? It's very simple. Now you have to convert
Sir, by
this into zeros.
factorization.
You have to convert this into equal to 0. Means you QP has to be converted into QE. Then factorize. What is the number? 9. What are the two numbers? X minus 3.
X minus 3.
Minus 3 minus 3.
X
X is equals to 3, 3.
X to the 3, comma 3.
alpha and beta. Correct or not? Very simple question. 2 more question. Are you okay to find quickly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So someone is saying audio is not connected. Okay, I'll repeat. Okay. So guys, the moment you want to find the zeros, right? M and N are the zeros. You have to find the zeros using factorization method. If you are not able to factorize, use that method, then go for the formula method. Now we are very clear that we can use factorization method. Why we are choosing factorization method? Still many students are comfortable with quadratic formula. They are not like to use because they are not comfortable with factorization. But the moment you are okay with factorization, you know how to factorize, then factorization is the best method than anything. Even many of the JEE students I have seen, they are using what? Quadratic formula. Why? They are not clear with finding these two numbers, putting the sign. Are you clear, student? They find they are not clear with that step. But I think you guys are very clear on these steps. Now, everyone is going to expand like this, but I teach you super method. All you have to do, take 3x. If anything can be cancelled, yes, cancel. What is answer? 3x minus 1, x plus 4. This will save your time even in your higher classes student also, because so many times, even in JEE level, so many times you have to solve the question using factorization. So this step will save your time like anything. Now tell me, moment you see, what is x? 1 upon 3 minus 4 upon minus 4 only, right? So this is your m, this is your n, right? Now you tell me m by n by m.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay to find? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So m by n plus n by m. What is the answer? M by n is what, student? M is what? 1 upon 3 by n is what? Minus 4 plus. Sir, shall I take this as a m, this as a n, sir? You can take anything. Okay, there is no condition. Okay, they didn't say anything. M is greater than n. They didn't say anything, correct or not? So in that case, you can take one as m, other as n. Now plus n is what? Minus 4 upon 1 by 3. Very careful, student. This 3 will come, this 3 will go up. Correct or not? Very, 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 very important. Okay. Many students not clear with that. Okay. Now what is that? Minus 12. Directly tell me, student. Minus 12. 12 12s are 144. You know how to deal with that. You have 1 here, so
Yes,
you
sir.
want to multiply by 12, not minus plus 12. You have to, better you can bring this minus 2 here, then the problem will be solved. Or better you bring this minus 2 up, then the problem will be solved. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put plus 12. Sir, this minus I'm keeping it here. Minus 1. Are you clear? Now here 12, here 12. So which number you need to multiply? 144.
Minus
Not
144.
minus 144. So what is the answer, student? Minus 145 upon 12.
Right, 12.
Is it correct or not? Or any mistake is there? Any mistake is there? No mistake, na? Everything's correct.
Correct.
Pakka. Clear.
Sir.
Sir, but minus 12 into minus 12 will be plus 144, right, sir?
That's why I moved the minus 2 to the numerator to avoid that confusion. Now plus 12 into this 12. What is that? You just think that I need plus 12 in the denominator because I moved. You multiply by 12, multiply by 12. What is the answer? Minus 144. Right or not?
Yes, sir.
I moved the minus 2 given to 1. Are you seeing that in the next step?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Avoid the confusion one. Right? Let's move to the next question. Guys, these are all very small questions. Still, I am bringing the reason because of what? This is the one will, through which only you will lose your centum. I know that because big question you solve a lot. Small question also give you importance to it. Okay. That's very important. Okay. Find the condition that zeros of the polynomial are reciprocal to each other. On what condition? Anyone. Just think, na? Let's take alpha is alpha. And beta will be what in that case? 1 by alpha. Correct or not? Because they said reciprocal.
1 by alpha.
Yes. So the product of zeros is what? The product of zeros is what? So if you take 2 zeros, one is alpha, take it as alpha. Or you can take k or 1 by k. And beta is 1 by k. Why? They said reciprocal to each other. Now you guys tell me alpha into beta according to the question is what? Minus b by no c by a. According to this guy, alpha into beta is what? K into 1 by k, which is equal to what? 1.
1.
So now what is the reason? 1
1.
equal to 2. 1 equal to 2. If you find little lengthy that, I'll just move this guy to here. That's the beauty of online education, right? You see here, nicely arranged. You see here, condition now. Good? Looks good now, this? Okay. Now coming to that student. So now 1 equal to 2, which means what? C by A has to be equal to 1, which implies your A equal to C. What is the meaning of this, student? The coefficient of x square and the constant, if both are equal, then what is the condition? My zeros are going to be reciprocal to each other. Is it crystal clear or not? Are you clear? What is the
Yes, sir.
condition? What is the condition?
Sir, but we should rewrite this with same variable of x square coefficient and c, sir.
We don't want to write because they themselves telling that ax square plus b. If they didn't say, simply they ask, what's the condition for if the zeros, what's the condition for a quadratic polynomial in order to the zeros are reciprocal to each other? Simply they say means there you have to put a means what? Because you are going to assume ax square plus bx plus c, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
There you have to write. Here you do not write. But if you want, sir, I would like to write yes, which means therefore coefficient of x square should be equal to constant. This is the condition for what? For getting the zeros. Both are reciprocal to each other. Guys, let's move to the other question. Next question. If the zeros of the polynomial, right, some polynomial x square plus bx plus q are double in the values of the zeros of this, then find the value of p and q. Are you clear, my dear student? All the things, whatever zeros you are going to get, this value is double of that. Agree with me or not? Very simple. Very simple. So all your duty is what? How to find the zeros of this type. Can I do factorization? Yes, very well. By
Yes, sir.
seeing itself, I can say, yes, you can factorize. What is the first thing? If you want to find zero, convert quadratic equation to quadratic polynomial to quadratic equation. What is the first step? -6. What are the two number? 1, 6. Subtract will give 5. Yes, greater number will carry middle sign. Why I am telling all the rules? The simple thing is what? If you multiply, you should get this. If you sum this, you should get -5. Right or not? Any doubt on finding these two numbers? Quickly. Any doubts from anyone?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt,
No,
sir.
appreciate you. Shall I write x plus 1, x minus 6 directly? Jagadeep, shall I write like this?
Sir, we want to divide by 2x.
No, sir. We should
Excellent. We have to
divide
divide by 2x. Excellent. Divided by 2x. Now 2 is cancelled. 3. What is the answer? 2x plus 1. X minus 3 equal to 0. So what is your x, student? -1 upon 2 plus 3. Super or not? This is your alpha and this is your beta. So are you clear? This zeros is this. Now you are going to find zeros of this, and they clearly said zeros of this is double of the zeros of this. Are you clear? So now tell me, what are the new zeros? 2 alpha and 2 beta. Why? Because they said double. They said double. Therefore, so next step, zeros. Therefore, zeros of x square plus bx plus q are what? Can you tell me what is the answer? Multiply by 2. -1
Minus
comma
1 comma 6.
6. Excellent. That is 2 alpha and 2 beta. Guys, now tell me, you can apply, you can put these values, or you can apply, what is that? Sum and product. Sum is what? P by 1. What is the answer? What is this answer? Sum. -1 plus 6. What is the answer? P equal to 5.
plus 5, sir.
Here or not? P equal to 5. Sum is, this is coefficient of relationship. Correct or not? Coefficient of this. This equal to actual zero sums is what? This. Then how to find Q? What is the next one? Product. Maybe this P you should not get confused. You can write fully, student. Product. Okay. That is what equal to what? Constant
Q
by coefficient. So Q by 1. This product equal to what? Actual zeros is what? 6. So can you tell me what is your Q? -6.
Minus
Any
-6.
doubt? Any doubt from anyone?
No, sir.
Sir, the zeros of x square, that alpha and beta. -1 and 6.
Yeah, you didn't understand how this obtained?
Yes, sir.
They said zeros of this means zeros of this guy is double the value of this. Are you clear?
Oh, okay,
So
sir.
double means what? 1 by 2 double is what? -1 means multiply by 2. Simply multiply by 2. Double means multiply by 2. Are you clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Clear or not? Okay is not a correct word.
Clear, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
So find the value of P and Q, right? This question can be approached in so many ways, but you are all smart students, right? Find the smartest way, right? Correct or not? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Start with question number 7. Any idea? Any idea? So how to find the value of k? So guys, what they have given, alpha minus beta equal to 9, equation number 1. If alpha and beta are the zeros, guys, you can quickly find alpha plus beta by using zeros and coefficient relationship. What is that alpha plus beta? What is alpha beta?
Sir, minus b.
Minus b
Minus b by a.
Minus b by a, that is minus 1 by
Plus
1 is equal to 1.
1.
So
Sir, here
shall I write directly minus 1?
Sir, plus one, right, sir?
plus 1, right, sir? Already.
Yes, minus b by a. Correct. Plus 1. Right? So you can write directly. Simply you can say, student, here in the bracket sum equal to minus b by a. Right? You are a smart student. Nah? Write the reason clearly here. Right? So now how to solve? Very simple. Guys, sum is 1. Sorry, sum is 1. Difference is 9. What are the two numbers? Sorry, what are the two alpha beta? You can go and solve. I'm okay. Okay, what is that? 2 alpha equal to what? 10.
10.
Alpha equal to what?
5.
5.
You got alpha, correct or not? Now what is beta? Think that beta. What value you substitute in the beta so that you will get 1? Immediately. Guys, beta should be what?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. I don't want to say substitute here and there. 10 student, please remember. Sir, you're supposed to find k, but you find alpha and beta. How are you going to find k? Very simple. What is the next relation? What is second step? Step 1 is find alpha and beta. Product. Apply product. Product is what? C by A. C what? Minus k by 1. This answer is what, student? 5 into minus 4. Minus cancel. So k equal to 20. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Appreciate it, Bharat.
Thank
So
you, sir.
first thing is that whether you are able to find alpha and beta. That you tell me. What is that? 12. What are the two numbers?
4 is
31 plus 12. 4 and 3. But both are minus. And what I have to do? 6y. 6y. What you can cancel quickly? 3,
3, 2,
3.
What is this?
2,
1.
1 by
1, 2.
What is the answer? 3y minus 2.
3y minus 2. Y minus
2y
2y minus 2.
So y equal to what? 2 by 3, 1 by 2. Excellent, alpha and beta. So you have to form a quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial. You are right. With what? 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. So what is, I can say, what is my new alpha? That is alpha n. It is 1 by alpha. What is the answer? 3 by 2. What is new beta? Beta n. New means n. Okay, sir, you can use any letter. I'm using alpha n and beta n. Okay, 1 by beta. What is the answer? 2. Now, as you mentioned, these are the two new zeros. And you have to form what? Quadratic polynomial.
Quadratic
Now you
polynomial.
need what? Sum is what? 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Plus, I want sum and product. Now I want sum alpha n plus beta n. What is that? 3 by 2 plus 2. What is the answer? 4. 7 by 2. Correct or not? And the product is what? Alpha n into beta n equal to what? 3 by 2 into 2.
3.
Correct or not?
3.
Sum and product are ready. So what is my quadratic polynomial? X square minus sx plus p. Don't put equal to 0. Now here the question, sir, shall I put some constant? You can very well you can add the constant. That's why Bharat, they never say that find the quadratic polynomial. No, you see the question? Find a quadratic polynomial, which means what? There are so many. You find a. Are you clear? Are you clear, guys? The a sound is telling what? Articles. Mean there are so many, and you can find a. I'll teach you, student, why that a is
We are
there.
not
But
multiplying
quadratic equation, they cannot say find a quadratic equation. No, find the quadratic equation. If they are typo mistake, yes, it will be there. Guys, what is x square? X square is x square. 7 by 2x plus 3. What you can write? 1 by 2 you can take out. So x square.
2x square
2x
minus
square minus
7x plus 6.
You can say r. Any
So we
doubt?
can say k is equals to 2 and
That's what I say. Don't do anything. This is one of the quadratic polynomial. Instead of this 1 by 2, you can put some k. Anything can be there. Correct or not? Correct or
no sir,
not?
like that also we can do, right sir?
Yeah. Okay. Anyone having question? But in general, this question is approached in a different way. Anyone knows that? According to many textbooks, they will not find actual zeros. So I am going to call this as a method 1. I'm going to call this as a method 1. Then which method they will use, sir? Yes. So here is your method 2, M2. Why I'm teaching you both? It's your choice. You can use either one of the method. Actually, for 6y square minus 7y plus 2, can you find, if they say alpha comma beta are the zeros, what you can find immediately? Instead of alpha beta, you can find sum and product. Yes or no?
Yes,
Sum
sir,
is what?
directly
Yes
we
sir.
Sum is
7 by
what?
2. 7 by 6.
Minus
Minus
b by
7 by
a. That is minus 7. Minus of minus 7 by 6. What is product of roots? C by a. 2 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 3. Any doubt?
No sir.
Yes, sir.
So
You
you
can
find
reciprocate.
both alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now it's a time. You need to find the new roots. New roots is what? Alpha n equal to what? 1 by alpha. And beta n equal to what? 1 by beta. Can you find some alpha n plus beta n? How come, sir? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Oh God, how to find? You have to apply this relationship. No, if I want to apply this relationship, I need only alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Here you cannot. But if you simplify, yes, alpha beta, beta plus alpha. Are you clear? So are you clear?
Yes,
I
sir.
can find my sum using this relationship. What is that? Beta plus alpha is what?
7 by 6.
Right in the next line. 7 by 6 upon alpha into beta is what?
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
Guys, what is the final answer? 7 by 6 into 3 by 1. This guy is 2. What is the answer? 7 by 2. This is sum. This is whatever you find, it is sum.
Sum.
What is the product? What is the product?
1 by
Product is
alpha
what?
into 1 by beta.
1 by alpha into 1 by beta. Even you don't want to introduce this letter here.
The
because
reciprocal of
maybe
the product of the zeros, sir.
without this step also, you can directly write sum and product. See here, what a beauty na online. Tuck, 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 everything tuck, 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 right? No evidence that I used alpha and beta, correct or not? So 1 by alpha beta, what is the answer? 1
Plus
upon 1 by 3 will become 3. Crystal clear or not? Guys, now tell me what is your quadratic polynomial? You got your S and P. You got your S and P. Now the answer is what? QP. X square minus
X square
SX.
minus 7 by 2.
So x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3. Or you put 1 upon 2, 2x. It's not compulsory. Again, I'm saying it's not compulsory. Okay. You can leave the answer like this also. They will give the mark. Don't worry. But in case of quadratic, if I ask, you to find the quadratic equation, na, then the QP will become equal to 0. That time you have to simplify, student. Quadratic polynomial you can leave like that, but quadratic equation you have to simplify, because normally fraction, it's not looking good. It's not a simplified version. Are you getting same answer or different answer? Method 1, method 2?
Same, sir.
Same answer. Tell me, who is having doubt now?
Sir, if it is equal to 0, then that 1 by 2 will be cancelled, no, sir? 2x square minus 7x plus 6.
That's what I'm saying that.
Yes, sir.
If it is quadratic equation, then 1 by 2 is gone. Then equal to 0. That's why quadratic equation means only one. It's fixed. You cannot put k here. It's wrong. Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Right. Good. So question number 8 is done. Let's go to question number 9. Right. Question number actually.
This is new. Yeah.
Is that? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. So, guys, any idea? Ideas are first. Okay. So I'll use method 2. Okay, I'll use method 2. So 2x square minus 3x plus 1. If you think that alpha and beta are they said now alpha and beta are the zeros, then what you can find? Alpha plus beta. Alpha into beta. Directly tell me answer. Alpha plus beta is what? 3 by 2.
3 by
Alpha
2.
into beta 1 by 2. Done or not? Sum and product are ready.
Yes, sir.
Now somehow use your this one. What is that? In the new zeros. Okay. So what is sum according to using new zeros? 3 alpha, 3 beta. What is that? 3 alpha plus 3 beta. What is that?
Let us
3 you
take 3
can
as common.
now.
3 alpha plus beta.
So 3 into 3 by 2. Correct or not? Alpha plus beta. So what is that? 9 by 2. What is the product? 3 alpha into 3 beta. What is that? 9 alpha beta. It's equal to 9 into alpha plus beta 1 by 2 is 9 by 2. Oh God, both are equal. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Now you have to find QP. QP is what? X square minus SX plus B. So X square minus S is what?
9 by 2x plus 9 by 2.
Excellent. So what is the final answer? R. 2.
1 by 2 into 2x square minus 9x plus 9.
Equal to 0. Don't put. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubt? Is it easy or not, guys? Just by attending
Yes,
the
sir.
demo class, a few questions in the demo, right? Is it clear or not? 1 minute. How many of you know the definition of the polynomial? No one. At least, guys, you attended, right? 2 days, 2
It
class
is the
before I use.
expression.
What is polynomial? It's an algebraic expression
Of variables.
Consist of variables, addition,
Consist of-
subtraction,
in
multiplication.
which you don't want to say consider variable, because this guy is having everything. Polynomial is an algebraic expression in which exponent of
non-negative number.
yes, exponent of the variable
Of non-negative.
should be always non-negative. Always non-negative means it's a whole number, student. Whole number means what? It should be 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, right? So guys, by seeing itself, can you tell me what are all linear, what are all polynomial? First one is polynomial, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Second one is polynomial. Third
Yes,
one
yes,
is
sir.
polynomial. Fourth one is not a polynomial. Why? If the root is only for root 3, then it's okay. But the root is they expanded now up to x also. So
It
which
will be
means
x power minus 1, right, sir?
x power 1 by 2, not minus, x power 1 by 2. Root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This guy is not a polynomial. Then what about, anyone can tell me this is a polynomial or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
7x,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
root is there, sir. Root, please understand, exponent of the variable only. Constant can have root. So this guy, yes. Now this guy, yes. This guy, yes. Yes. No, this guy is not S. Why?
Sir, yes,
Why
sir.
X is
No, sir.
there?
Yes, sir.
Then what else? This guy, okay. This guy, no. So how many no's? 3 no's. So finally, how many S? How many are polynomial? 7 polynomials.
7, sir.
How many of the polynomial? No. How many of the above 10 are not polynomial? So answer is 3.
3.
Correct or not? Now, how many of the above 10 are quadratic polynomial? Quick. How many?
Sir, second one.
Only the second one. Correct or not?
Sir, only one.
Anything else? Only one.
Only one.
Anyone having question on this? And this is one of 3 mark question student. So now, but please read the question. What are all? How many? And they are asking you to write. Then please write this values also. Okay. If they are asking list the quadratic polynomial, you have to list it. Just one is not sufficient, right, student? Are you clear? Read the question properly. Sir, now they are asking only how many. Shall I write both count as well as the actual value? Yes, you can write additional things. You can use, student. No problem. But if it is taking more and more time, don't give. Anyone having question? You have a doubt? Okay, I'll repeat.
No, sir.
No doubt,
No,
sir.
no. It seems something. Okay. I'll repeat. Okay. So the question is alpha power 1, beta power minus 1 plus gamma power minus 1. It's nothing but we know that power minus 1 means it's a reciprocal, right, Megul? 1 by gamma. Correct or not, Megul?
Sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. Then multiplication alpha, beta, gamma. The moment you keep this as a common denominator, here what is missing? Beta, gamma. Correct or not? That guy you have to multiply both numerator and denominator. So it is normal fraction addition. Here what is missing? Alpha, gamma. You can put gamma, alpha also, no problem. Then here what is missing? Alpha, beta. So now from this equation, you know how to find this value. This basically what is a product. This is sum of product, right? So can you apply this value? That's all. Answer is ready. You can directly substitute the value. No one going to answer. No one going to ask. Okay, quickly. What is this value? Sum of product is what?
1 by 6.
Sum of product is actually what? C by A. C by A is what? Coefficient base of x upon coefficient of x cube. Right, actually, I think voice is breaking. So minus C by A. So minus 5 by 6. So minus 5 by 6. Yes, actually your voice is breaking. Good. I appreciate you.
By 6.
Right. Then what about this product? Minus D by A. So minus D is what? Minus 1 by 6. You can give the reasons to. Okay, you can give the reason that sum of product equal to minus C by A and C by A, and the product equal to minus D by A. Correct or not? Now what will happen, student? 6 cancel, 1 minus cancel. What is the final answer? 5. Any doubts from anyone? Quickly. Any doubts from anyone?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you find, sir, this formula here, you can write here also, student. It is C by A and it is minus D by A. This way also okay, right or not? But you should know what is C and what is D, correct or not? What is this expression is coming from which equation? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Correct or not? This polynomial only having this relationship, right? Any doubt? Any doubt? No doubts? At least say no doubt. Doubt. No worries. Okay, I'm explaining. I'm just starting. Don't worry. Okay, so this given is alpha and beta zeros means immediately what you can find? Alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus 5/2. Alpha into beta is what? K/2. Any doubt on this? Any doubt? Any doubt
No,
on this?
sir.
No.
No
Okay.
doubt, sir.
Don't bring alpha minus beta. Very danger. Okay, that's very dangerous fellow. Now,
Yes, sir.
what you know already? Alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta equal 21/4. Now, on your intention, I have to change this in such a way I can apply these two values. Here you can apply alpha into beta K/2, but oh, sorry, I got disconnected. Power cut, but I'm connecting through Wi-Fi. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all you need to feel that. So how are you going to convert this guy to such a way I can use this? So in that case,
Sir,
who will help?
Yes.
A plus b the whole square is what? A square plus b square minus, sorry, plus 2ab. So what is a plus b the whole square? A plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So shall I write alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha
Minus 2 alpha beta.
beta plus alpha beta, which is equal to 21/4. So if we simplify this, alpha plus beta the whole square minus alpha beta. Here nothing. You have alpha plus beta, you have alpha into beta. Now you can apply your things. There is no alpha minus beta, right, Hari and Bharat? Directly you apply minus 5/2 the whole
Sir,
square.
can you explain me the second step alone once more, sir?
Yeah. So this guy, no problem. The problem guy is alpha square beta square, because you don't have alpha plus beta. So you don't have alpha square beta square. You have only alpha plus beta. Some student, what they will do, sir, alpha plus beta minus 5/2 means alpha square plus beta square is minus 5/2 whole square. It's wrong. It's wrong. Why? If it is whole square, you can apply this. So if it is an individual square, no, it's not. So we know very well alpha plus beta square is nothing but what? Alpha square, sorry, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now can you find alpha a square plus b square is what? A plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So are you clear? Accordingly, I put this expansion. Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, that plus 2ab, that minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta means, sir?
No, this guy is given, this whatever is here, and this is
Yes,
written as this. According to,
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
are you clear? This entire thing is according to this. A
Sir,
square plus
but in that only we have A and B, no, sir. That plus 2 AB we don't have, so that we it is okay to write in that format, sir.
yeah, no, I didn't get what you are trying to ask. I'm having alpha square plus beta square. We know very well a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. If you rearrange the term, if you bring this guy, so a square plus b square equal to what? A plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Agree with me or not?
Okay, sir. I got it.
Plus b the whole square minus 2ab. right?
Yeah,
And
sir.
you are like terms, so alpha, beta. So now answer is ready. So you are going to substitute. Hereafter is purely simplification, my dear student. That's you will do according to your own way. So what is that? 25 by 4 minus k by 2. If you multiply by 2, because we're making the same LCM equal 21 by 4. This 4, this 4, this 4 will get cancelled. Now what is answer? 25 minus k 2k equal 21. Correct or not? Correct or not? So if you bring this guy, what is that? Minus 2k equal to minus 4, which implies k equal to 2. Any doubt from anyone? Any doubts? Quickly.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Here actually power cut. No fan, nothing, but still is okay. Twice. So I'll go with method 1 and I'll teach you method 2 also. Don't worry. Okay. So guys, x square plus 4x. What is method 1? Finding alpha and beta. Finding alpha and
Factorization.
yes, factorization. What are the two numbers? X plus 3,
X plus 1.
So x equal to what?
minus 3 minus 1.
Minus 3 minus 1. So this is alpha and this is beta. Correct or not? The moment we find this, automatically we can find whatever the new alpha and new beta. Correct or not? What is new alpha? 1 by
1 plus
by alpha. So can you tell me what is the answer? 1 plus beta is what? Minus 1 by minus 3. So minus minus cancel. So 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
N equal to what? 1 plus alpha by beta. What is the answer? 1 plus this time alpha by beta
Minus 3.
by minus 1. The answer is what? 4. Correct or not? 4. So you got alpha n, you got beta n. So now your sum is and product is ready. So sum equal to what? Alpha n plus beta
Alpha into
plus beta n equal to 4 by 3 plus 4. So 12 plus 4, 16 by 3. What is product? Alpha n into beta n. Student, what is the answer? 4 by 3 into 4 equal to what?
16 by 3.
So now you tell me what is your quadratic polynomial? X square minus sx plus product. X square, sx is what?
16 by 3.
16 by 3x.
Plus 16 by 3.
16, 3. You can take an out. 16 by 3 out.
X square minus
R. Okay, don't give
Sir,
the chart. Okay, R. 16 by 3. 3x is, no, I can take not 16 by
1 by 3, sir.
3. You can take an out. The
X
answer is
square.
square. 3x square minus 16x plus 16. And Shivani, you just try to understand. You can leave the answer like this. If you are taking
Yes,
1 by
sir.
3, if you are not putting 3, then the answer is wrong. This is what I used to say. Guys, better you can leave the answer like this, okay? If you do some careless mistake, after taking 1 by 3, you forgot to put 3, gone. They may give you wrong answer, correct or not? They may reduce the mark.
Yes, sir.
At least you can leave this question like this here. Correct or not? I'm not
Sir, if
saying
we'll keep or also, they'll cut the mark, sir.
no, that's what in QP I have seen many answer key. They leave the answer end here. Okay, they put R only every time, which means student give the answer full mark for this either one of the answer.
Yes. Sir.
But in quadratic equation, you have to simplify. You have to simplify. I have to remove this guy because the moment you put 0, this guy will not be there. Only this is the answer. Are you clear? Bharat
Yes,
asked,
sir.
any doubt?
Sir.
Guys, are you
Sir.
okay with this using method 2? Are you okay to do? Just find sum and product and somehow you apply, convert this in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, you can find the answer. Yes or no?
Yes,
Right?
sir. Sir, can you
Yeah,
explain
you
method
have some
2?
doubt. Akshaya is having some doubt.
Sir, instead of taking 1 by 3, can we take the LCM, sir, of 3?
I didn't get what? Yes, that is what I did. This one only. Oh, you are saying that final answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what I taken. I didn't
After taking LCM only, we'll take outside, right, sir?
Yeah. Correct or not? You are taking
Okay.
3, then you are multiplying, then I am taking 3 out. Instead, I am saying that the moment you taken out 1 by 3 from here no 3, so you are adding 3. Correct? Now you are multiplying 3.
Yes, sir. I
Right?
got it, sir.
Good. So it is very clear we cannot use factorization method, right? Means finding actual zeros, then solve. Okay. Then let's go with what? Relationship. Right, Bharat. Whatever you said is correct. 2x square minus 4x plus 5. What are the zeros? Alpha and beta are the zeros. What you can find immediately? Alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. What is alpha plus beta?
2.
Minus of minus 4. So 4 by 2 is
So
equal to
plus 4 by 2.
2.
this alpha into beta 5 by 2. Right? Clear? Now, how are you going to find this guy? This already I discussed. I think
Sir, the last sum.
last sum. So it is nothing but what? Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Why I am converting, guys? Somehow you convert everything in terms of alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. That's all. Then only you can apply. Yes or no? Now
Yes,
alpha
sir.
plus beta is what? 2 square minus 2 into alpha plus b into beta is what? Beta 2. 4 minus 5.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Khatam, over or not? Over or not?
Yes, sir.
Second question. What is that? 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. What is the answer? Alpha, beta, beta plus alpha. Wow, we are getting immediately. Correct or not? Beta plus alpha is what? 2.
2.
Alpha and beta by 2. So 2 will go that side. So it is 4 by 5. Correct or not? Done. Any question from anyone? Quickly. Any question from
No,
anyone?
sir.
No. Yes, guys, remember this identity. Alpha plus beta the whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square
Minus 4 alpha beta.
beta. No. Alpha plus beta the whole square. I'm wrong. Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Anyone having question? You see your student. A minus b the whole square equal to what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. And instead of a square plus b square, what can I write? A plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Are you clear? Hari, Bharat?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Bharat,
sir.
are you clear? That's why. So remember this identity. So what is alpha plus beta the whole square? Quickly.
2 square.
Minus 4 into alpha by beta. So alpha beta. So 4 2. What is the answer? 4 minus 10 minus.
Minus 6.
Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
What is the next? 1 by alpha. You see here repeatedly same thing is coming. Correct or not? Beta square is what? 1 by. Can you tell me what is LCM? Alpha square, beta square. Here beta square will come. Here alpha square will
Alpha
come.
square plus beta square.
So alpha square plus beta square, you already know. What is the answer?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Guys, try to apply timely. And what is alpha square, beta square? It is alpha plus beta the whole square, which is 5 by 2 the whole square. Correct or not? Any doubt?
No,
So
sir.
2 will go that side, sir. 5 by 4. So 25 by 4. So minus 4 by 25. Is it correct or not? I don't have a space. So I'm
Yes,
writing
yes.
it one step. So fourth. What is the
Sir,
fifth one?
question number 1 and 5 is repeated, right, sir?
Okay. So still you write, student. Even though if they ask, no problem. Okay. You just write alpha square plus beta square equal to what? Minus 1. Directly. Any doubt? Guys, I think today we solved some quality questions, right? From the quadratic polynomial. Yes or no? Yes or no? Have you all
Yes,
learned
sir.
something today? Good revision or not? Everyone? Just in 1.5 hours, we revised almost all the concepts today. Okay. So good. Appreciate it. Okay. Like this, next class, we will solve the of the quadratic equation. It's very smart way, student. Please understand. If you approach this way, your max, if you guys joined right in the month of June, I'm doing it for the new batch. Okay. Preparing them like this, you see their level. By end of June, they know everything. Because I'm not running fast, na, correct or not? Even for you guys, I explained what is polynomial, types of polynomial, started with the magic. How many of you listen the recording? I don't know. I started from very basics, correct or not? So everything we covered, even with the proper definition, correct or not? Basic definition from 9th standard things. So it is easy, student. Only thing is practice, do lot, okay? Right? Appreciate you. I'm sure that, right, we will do lot in the next class also. Okay. Right, student. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
student.
Thank you.